So this is, check it's the right person. Yeah, I'm just showing so that you can check it's the right person. Okay. Sit properly. Have you heard Prabhupada say that? Sit properly. Okay. So, 4 rules. And how many rounds?
16.
Minimum every day. The name is Premananda Das. Hare Krishna. Then, so, we got the right person? Yeah. So, 4 rules. You can put this down. What was that? I didn't say it again. All right. And how many rounds? How many rounds to chant? 16 rounds. The name is Ramadas. Hare Krishna. Ram Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Hare Krishna. Can, just while you're taking initiation, you can remove the mask. Yeah. Then please say 4 principles. Did you get it all right? Okay. And how many rounds?
16 rounds.
16 rounds. Daru Krishna Das. Hare Krishna. He's been coming since we were first there. He's in. Please. Hare Krishna. Take the bead bag off the floor. Yeah, please say 4 rules.
She told 3 correct.
3.5.
She told only 3.
Only 3. Give her a prompt. Okay. Then how many rounds? Okay. So Tulasi is a very nice name. And your name can be Krishna Tulasi Devidasi. Hare Krishna. Krishna Tulasi. All right, that's all we need in Telugu for now. Hare Krishna. Please come. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare. So please tell the 4 rules.
No intoxication, no meat eating, no gambling, no illicit sex.
And how many rounds minimum daily?
16 rounds.
Paramananda Das. Hare Krishna. We got Premananda and Paramananda, all in one session. Hare Krishna. Now in our Vaishnav system, husband this side and wife that side. Just like you see, Lakshmi Narayana, Radha Krishna, right? Not the other way around. Yeah, you can sit like that. So wife thinks of husband as Narayana, and husband thinks of the wife as Lakshmi. So, 4 rules.
No meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex, and below 16 rules.
All right, very good. So the name is Amiya Vilasa Das. Hare Hare. Please tell.
No meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex.
And,
I'm on 16 rounds.
all right. So your name is Rukmini Priya Devidasi. Hare Krishna. Please come. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare. वो माता जी जयपुर से आने वाले आप भी तैयार हो जाए, उनके लिए थोड़ा समय लगेगा ना, थोड़ा वृद्ध है माता जी.
No meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling and no intoxication.
And how many rounds?
16 rounds.
So your name is Nanda Gopa Das. Nanda Gopa. Not Nanda Gopal. Nanda Gopa means Nanda Maharaj. It's called Nanda Gopa. Nanda Gopa Kumaraya. So Nanda Gopa means your name was Nanda Gopal. Now it's Nanda Gopa Das. Little bit different. Yeah, so let's do. No, I'm just thinking because. No, I'm just thinking because she's old and it might take time for her to come. It didn't take so much time. So let her come now. We just have to get. I know the name to give her.
Starani Mataji.
Yeah, wait a minute. What am I doing with this? Yeah, okay.
I gave her
Okay.
because she was supposed to come later.
Ah, yes, so please. This is Sanjay's mother. Sanjay ki mata, hai na? Ah, you can tell by the face. Hare Krishna. Oh, mask, I see. थोड़ा नीचे रख दो, थोड़ा खोलिए. और भी? हाँ, ठीक है. तो बोलिए, 4 नियम. और कितना माला जाप?
कम से कम 16 माला.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो नाम है श्रीमती राधा रानी का एक नाम तारिणी देवीदासी. वो है. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. So, please go like this. It's a lifelong habit. So now you say first, please.
No meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling, no illicit sex. Every day, 16 rounds chanting.
Minimum.
Minimum.
All right. So your name is Gopala Krishna Das.
மாமிசம் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது,
Ah,
மாமிசம் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, போதைப் பொருளுக்கு அடிமையாகக்கூடாது, சூதாடக்கூடாது,
தகராறு பார்வை பண்ணக்கூடாது. தினமும் குறைஞ்சது 16 மணி ஜெபம் பண்றேன்.
She's very confident, huh? Very good. How do you say that? Nischayamana. Okay. Utsahamana. No? Very enthusiastic. Yeah. So, Chandra Lila Devidasi. Hare Krishna. Please come. Hare Krishna. 4 principles. Pulalu. All right. The name is, first we'll explain. Lalita Devi in Vrindavan is Radharani's best friend. And Lalita Devi's mother, you can explain so far. And Lalita Devi's mother has a name which I'm going to give her. The name is Sharadi Devidasi. Hare Krishna. Please come. Cannot sit. Okay, bring a chair so you can sit comfortably. Please move this. Okay. You can say in English or Tamil or Telugu, which language?
No meat eating,
Okay.
no intoxication, no illicit sex, and no gambling. I vow to chant 16 rounds on my beats daily till my lifetime.
All right. So I'm giving a name which Srila Prabhupada gave. All of them have been so far, right? Any? The name is Vijaya Murti Devidasi. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So who's next? We have a lady and a lad. I think this is, yeah. She's local. Okay, let her come first. I need the beads? Oh, they're right here, I see. I thought. So, please, you can remove this. And number of rounds? Minimum every day. All right, so the name is Padmavati Rani Devidasi. Is last, is it? Okay. How are we doing? How are we doing on time? Plenty of time. Okay. Needn't have been so rushed. Okay, then you can finish the talk on the 10 offenses. It went quicker than I thought. All right, so Charniyam, English, Hindi.
No illicit sex, no gambling, and no intoxication.
And minimum rounds?
Minimum 16 rounds every day.
All right. Please come a little closer. I already gave you a name once, but you don't remember. Because your parents were disciples of mine, even before they were married. And when you were born, they asked me to give a name. So I'm going to change that name. I gave the name Vaishnava, now I'm giving the name Mangala Vaishnava Das. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now we can get back to the 8th offense. Is it? We have time to finish that talk. And then the Brahmin one could be given after the Arati. Right? Okay. I could have let you go on, but I didn't know. We went fairly quickly. Yeah, so please continue the talk.